In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit employee info in QuickBooks Online. If you manage payroll or HR in QuickBooks Online, keeping employee details accurate is essential for clean records and smooth payroll runs. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct company and that your user role has permission to view and edit employee information. Interface labels can vary slightly based on updates and region, but the path will be very similar to what you see here. Start by going to QuickBooks Online and signing in. From the main workspace, move your cursor to the navigation where you can access additional tools, then hover over the All Apps area. This hover reveals related options that help you manage people and company functions. From there, choose Team. The Team section is where you'll find information about the people who work in or with your company, and it's the quickest way to get to their records. Inside Team, select Employee IDs. This view lists your employees in one place. You can use the search bar or scan the list to find who you need. If you have both active and inactive workers, be mindful of the status labels to avoid updating the wrong profile. It's a good idea to confirm the spelling of the name or any unique ID shown on the row before you click through. Click the employee you want to update to open their profile. Take a moment to verify you're on the correct person's page by glancing at key details like their job title or location if it's displayed. When you're ready to make changes, click Edit. This will open the editable fields for that employee. Common updates include their legal name, home address, email, phone number, and emergency contact. Keep the legal name exactly as it appears on government documents to avoid payroll or tax mismatches. If you're updating contact information, make sure the email and phone are current so the employee continues to receive pay stubs and notifications. If you see fields related to pay details or tax info, review them carefully. Small mistakes here can affect deductions, direct deposits, or filings. When you've finished your updates, click Save. QuickBooks will apply the changes to the employee's record right away. If you're about to process payroll, double-check the updated fields to ensure everything looks correct before you run it. You can briefly reopen the profile to confirm the saved information if you want added peace of mind. And that's all there is to it. By following this path, QuickBooks, hover over All Apps, go to Team, open Employees, select the employee, click Edit, and then Save. You'll keep your employee data accurate and your payroll workflows on track.